Get ready, creators, because DJI is about to change the way we capture our world once again. The DJI Osmo Nano is officially on the horizon, and the excitement is at an all-time high. While its launch faced a tiny delay, the buzz hasn't slowed down. If anything, it's only fueled the hype. DJI has been teasing us with the bold slogan, "Own the moment," and from everything we've seen, this little device looks more than capable of living up to that promise. Weighing in at just 58 grams. Yes, lighter than your smartphone, the Osmo Nano is designed for ultimate freedom, simplicity, and creativity on the go. Forget bulky mounts and complex setups. Thanks to its revolutionary magnetic system, you can clip it to your shirt, attach it to your helmet, or stick it to your bike in seconds. It's the kind of design that screams portability and spontaneity, encouraging you to record life exactly as it happens. This is not just another pocket camera. It's DJI's answer to those who demand pro-level filmmaking tools in the smallest form possible. And here at Technify, we couldn't be more excited to see what this pocket powerhouse can really do. Let's unpack it piece by piece. First, the camera performance is impressive for such a compact body. The Osmo Nano is capable of delivering DCI 4K at 60 frames per second, UHD 4K at 120 frames per second, and silky smooth 1080p slow motion at 240 frames per second. These frame rates open the door to both cinematic storytelling and action-packed content creation. Whether you're documenting travel vlogs, outdoor adventures, or creative projects, the Nano delivers crisp, vibrant footage that feels polished straight out of the camera. Of course, what's power without stability? That's where DJI's signature Rocksteady 3.0 stabilization and Horizon lock step in. Even when the camera is clipped to your chest while biking or running, the footage remains smooth, level, and professional looking. It's like having a mini gimbal built right in, eliminating the worry of shaky, unusable clips. The design deserves just as much praise as the performance. Unlike traditional mounts, the Osmo Nano uses a fully magnetic system. It isn't just a single clip or snap, it's a network of magnetic points with switchable polarity, giving you creative freedom to mount it in ways never seen before. Whether you're attaching it to metallic surfaces, a wearable lanyard, or brand new modular accessories, the Nano adapts to your environment instead of forcing you into rigid setups. Power management is another highlight. The Osmo Nano runs for up to 2.5 hours, and with its rapid charging ability, you'll be back in action quickly. That means longer sessions without worrying about downtime, a huge plus for travelers and event creators. Storage flexibility also sets it apart. With built-in memory options and expandable space via microSD, you don't have to constantly juggle files. The inclusion of an OLED HD touchscreen makes control effortless, allowing you to adjust settings, preview footage, and even operate it remotely. This kind of direct interaction makes it feel like a true filmmaker's tool, not just another action cam. Perhaps the most exciting feature is its seamless ecosystem integration. The Osmo Nano works hand-in-hand with DJI's wireless mics, giving creators professional audio without any extra receivers or messy cables. Combined with smart tracking and intelligent shooting modes, it feels designed to cover every aspect of content creation, from sound to stabilization to versatility. In short, the DJI Osmo Nano isn't just a camera. It's a reimagining of what a pocket-sized POV device can achieve. It balances innovation, practicality, and creativity in a way that feels uniquely DJI. So, what does all this add up to? The DJI Osmo Nano is shaping up to be far more than a simple addition to DJI's lineup. It's a statement. A statement that portable filmmaking doesn't have to come with compromises. At just 58 grams, it delivers stunning image quality, next-level stabilization, and mounting options that redefine creative freedom. It's light, it's powerful, and it's built to capture moments in ways we've never seen before. Leaks, teasers, and even accidental early appearances have only fueled the excitement, showing us glimpses of what this device can do. And if history tells us anything, it's that DJI doesn't just follow trends, it creates them. The Osmo Nano is a clear example of this philosophy, combining cutting-edge technology with practical design choices that empower creators everywhere. At Technify, we see the Osmo Nano as more than just a gadget. It's a new chapter in on-the-go creativity. Whether you're an adventurer, a storyteller, or simply someone who wants to share life as it happens, This little powerhouse is ready to become your ultimate companion. Stay tuned, because the Osmo Nano is about to prove that sometimes the smallest tools deliver the biggest impact.